Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. Core Mathematics, WASSCE, September 2024. Objective question 10. The volume of a cone is 264 centimeters cube. The volume here is 264 centimeters cube. If the base radius is 6 centimeters, so the base radius has been given as 6 centimeters, we have to find the height of this cone. So let's represent the height as h. And we are also to take pi as 22/7. So now what is the formula for finding the volume of a cone? Formula for finding the volume of a cone is V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, where V represents the volume, r represents the base radius, and then h represents the height of the cone. So with this formula, we can substitute the values. Now the volume here is 264. This should be equal to 1/3. You have to take pi as 22/7. So 22/7 times the base radius squared. The base radius here is 6. So 6 squared times the height, in this case h. So we have 264 is equal to 1/3 times 22/7 times 6 squared is 36. So 36 times h. So we have 264 is equal to, so now let's simplify this. 1/3 times 22/7 times 36h. 1/3 times 22/7 times 36h. So we have 264/7h. We are looking for h, in this case the height. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of h. And the coefficient of h here is 264/7. So we divide here by 264/7. We divide here by 264/7. So 264/7 will cancel out. We now have 264 divided by 264/7 could be written as 264 divided by 264/7, and this should be equal to h, the height. So now let's simplify this. 264 divided by 264/7. So you have 7 is equal to h. Therefore, the height of this cone here measures 7 centimeters. So the right answer is option C. I hope you enjoyed this episode. See you next time.